Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Lecturer, Ms. Dusnaya. We are from Group 6, will present a procedure text is talking about the healthy food. First of all, allow our group to introduce with the last student number is 131. As a representative of Group 6, we will present about the topics today. And then my colleagues are Abela Putri Anasyah with the last student number is 118, and also Shafa Aneira with the last student number is 128. For healthy food, our group choose a menu called Goddess Bowl, like in the picture. Trivia. In our opinion, no recipe does this better than these Goddess Bowls. An easy chicken dinner or healthy make a hit lunch. These bowls combine nutrition powerhouses, brown rice, avocado, roasted asparagus, and sweet cherry tomatoes with a creamy and hearty dressing. This bowl is named Goddess after the style of dressing that gets drizzled over the top. It is the green goddess dressing that is famous in the United States. About the ingredients for bowl, there are asparagus, olive oil, boneless chicken breast, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, dried oregano, cooked brown rice, sliced avocado, and also cherry tomatoes. And for dressing, they are mayonnaise, green yogurt, basil leaf, chive, lemon juice, parsley, and also onion. Talking about the direction, step 1 is make roast asparagus. Preheat oven to 425 degrees, and then on the large baking sheet, toast asparagus with 1 tablespoon of oil and season with salt and also pepper. And third is baking until the asparagus is tender, about 15 minutes. Step 2. Cook chicken. First is heat remaining olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat, and then season both sides of chicken with garlic powder, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. And third is add chicken to the hot skillet and cook until golden and cook through about 8 minutes per side. And then remove from heat and let rest for 10 minutes before slitting into strips. Step 3. Make dressing. First is to a food processor, add mayonnaise, yogurt, basil, parsley, chive, lemon juice, and also garlic. Mix until smooth, then season with salt and pepper to taste. And the fourth is a final step. It is assemble bowls. First is divide the surface of the rice into 4 parts in one bowl and top with avocado, cherry tomatoes, cooked chicken, and roasted asparagus. And then drizzle dressing over each bowl. And the last is serve immediately. Conclusion about our topic today. Healthy food for the body has tremendous benefits. The body needs a variety of intake to support the performance of organs and health for the better. Healthy foods are food that contain elements needed by the body such as protein, vitamins, minerals, and also beneficial for maintaining health. Modern lifestyle often make people neglect about the health of the body. The importance of eating healthy foods for the body should not be underestimated. One example of healthy foods such as goddess bowl.
the benefits of eating healthy foods like regularly for the body, maintaining the digestive system, and also reduce the risk of heart disease.
Okay, hopefully the presentation will be useful for everybody. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.